This poem, called The Sadness of the Singing Birds. The two old men sit at the kitchen table, among the detritus of their meal, the plates and cups, an open bottle of whisky in 2 glasses. Juan puts the box on the table, opens it and takes out the 2 small cages. The birds, living their lives in darkness, burst into song in the daylight. For just 1 hour each day. Listen, Juan says. This one is Pavarotti. And this one is Isabella Pantoja. Each bird different. We sit and listen. The low tenor notes of Pavarotti and the soprano notes and trills of Pantoja, singing a duet as we drink. We weep at the beauty of their song, and with trembling hands Juan returns them into the darkness, afraid in case the birds burst their hearts with song.